we are doing something that I have never done before. So we all know Amanda Ensing and Jaclyn Hill. We all either love them, hate them, or love to hate them because we secretly love them. But I feel like everyone knows who Jaclyn Hill and Amanda Ensing are. So if you guys have been watching them, then you know they've both been discussing a highlighter hack. Now, it's been two separate ones. So Jaclyn Hill has a highlighter hack that she learned from somebody that she shared with her audience, and Amanda Ensing just posted a video, I think yesterday or the day before, about a highlighter hack. Now, she didn't give credit to whoever she learned it from, but I know that it wasn't her. I was reading through the comments. I can't remember who the actual originator of the highlighter hack, I'm just gonna put right here, who it was. I can't remember right now. But what I thought is, since both the highlights always look amazing, that I would test one on one side and the other on the other side, see whose highlighter hack is better. So first, let's just take a second and reminisce and enjoy my completely matte face. And we're done. I had two different sponges, same sponges, because I didn't want there to be any like sort of like, oh well, that sponge is different, blah blah blah. So we're gonna be starting out, we're gonna be doing Amanda Ensing's, it's not her hack, but that's who I learned her from, so I'm gonna be saying that. I'm gonna be doing Amanda Ensing's highlighter hack on this side, and then I'm gonna be doing Jaclyn Hill's on this side. So Amanda Ensing's is using a beauty oil. I made sure to grab one that doesn't break up my makeup. This is one I use all the time underneath my makeup, and it makes my makeup look super luminous and amazing. This is the Derma E Essentials Radiant Glow Face Oil. I talk about this all the time. I'll have a link to it down below. It's one of my faves. And she said that what you do is you put it on the end of a sponge, and I'm just going to let that soak in, and you just dot it here where you would like put your highlighter. Oops, I got a hair. And so as you can see, you're already getting a little bit of a luminous look right there. And then she said that you put the highlighter on top of that. So I'm going to be using Becca Opal. It's a cool toned highlighter because I have a little bit of a cool toned look going on. I'm going to be taking a fan brush. This is the Wet n Wild, the vegan collection one. And I need a new one of those. And I'm just going to, ooh. She said that you shouldn't need to use as much highlighter. Because of the oil. And it's supposed to look like, you know, not cakey or anything. So there's that. I don't know if I like how that looks. So I'm taking the Morphe M501 to actually, okay, there we go, because I was just seeing the oil, I wasn't seeing any like highlighter. Okay, so there is that one right there. Quick, easy, all right. I didn't use very much highlighter, and I'm glowing, and it looks, I just noticed like a wet streak though. I don't know if I like that. So anyways, the other one is you take a damp sponge and you apply the highlighter directly to your face. So I'm just going to take my other sponge that I have not put the oil on, and okay, so that is how it looks. So I'd say this side is more like glowy, but it's more streaky, I want to say. Not like, so the oil doesn't break the foundation. It's just, I feel it, the area, hey, this is where I highlighted it, is more noticeable, while this one isn't as blingy, but it kind of just melts into the skin. I don't like how this looks. I feel like that's just, I mean, I guess I could like blend it out a little bit with like a damp sponge and like, let me see if that fixes it. little better. I mean, it diffused it out a little bit, but that is better. Still a little bit, probably put some more blush right there. Okay, that is much better now that I've gotten that blended out. So as for the side that I like better, hang on. Let me just finish highlighting my face. Okay, so now for my final verdict, I like this side better. If you want to be like super bling, like if you want a more subdued highlight, I like how this just melted in the skin and just like even faster because it's just one step. You just use a damp sponge. So I like the, I like how this one sits better, but I like the glow that this one gives off more. This one definitely makes a more bling in it and use a lot less product. I noticed when I used the sponge to apply the highlighter with, it really soaked up a lot of highlighter and used a ton of product because it just like sticks to the sponge. So I'm gonna have to go with this side. Initially, I didn't like it because I didn't fully blend it out. But you know, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm learning too. But I'm gonna go ahead and kind of make these match. And now we match. Whew, we are glowing, you guys. So that is it for this video. I like the one that Amanda Ensing showed her audience better. I definitely think that they both look amazing. It's also personal preference. If you want a more subdued highlight, and you want to melt in your skin, do the one that Jaclyn Hill showed everyone. And then if you want a more bling-in, wet looking highlight, then the one that Amanda Ensing showed everyone. So again, I'm gonna have the originator of this side. I'm gonna have it down below. I don't remember off the top of my head, and I can't remember who Jaclyn said she learned this from. If I can find it, I'll let you guys know. But if you guys remember and you guys watched that video of Jaclyn Hill's like a while back, then let me know or let everyone else know in the comments who she learned that from, because everyone deserves credit where it is due. So that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give a big old thumbs up and make sure to comment down below and hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell as well so you don't miss any of my uploads. And I think that's everything. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next